In this video, we will show you how to use the Defender Guard Network Quality Check tool to ensure that you are able to get a strong Wi-Fi connection between your camera and your Wi-Fi network. With your phone connected to the Wi-Fi network you will use for your camera, open the Defender Guard app and press the Me icon at the bottom right of your screen. Next, tap the Tool icon. Then tap Wi-Fi Detection tool. Hold your phone where you would like to install the camera and tap Wi-Fi Detection. The network quality check can take up to 60 seconds. Once complete, the app will tell you whether your network status is too weak or strong enough. If your Wi-Fi network is too weak, we recommend trying another location with a stronger signal. If it's strong, you found a great location to mount your camera. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helps you protect what matters most. For more tips and how-to videos, click the subscribe button or visit defendercameras.com.